Good day, investors. Welcome to the 6th of March 2015. The trade for today is called PSG Group and the code is PSG. Last traded price was 144.25. The action on this trade is to go long or buy. The entry level is on the grey line here of 142.13 and the objective is to go to the green line here of 150.65 rand. Stop loss to be used on this trade is 139 rand and 29 cents. Currently, the only open trades are RMBH, still at from the 3rd of March. Looking at the top 40 index, the blue line or the dark line is indicating the index movement, and as you can see, it's trading here on the 10-day moving average, up and down, but still above the 20-day moving average at this moment. Showing momentum is still a bit positive, but no real direction down. Looking at the Dow Jones Industrials, it closed about 36 points positive on Thursday evening. Now today's data is very important. It's the non-farm payrolls, and it will come out here at 3:30 this afternoon, and the markets will be quite anticipating with that news coming out late afternoon. As you can see, they closed from this blue line to the red line here on yesterday's close, but still in a positive momentum. Looking at the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, and as you can see, there was the little bounce, there's a little double bottom, there's a little double top, and you can see the momentum is currently trading here at 46,750 and the high is 47,216. So that's a bit of a sideways momentum happening and still trading above the green line. No new direction or confirmed direction that this is a breakdown as yet. Let's go to some of the telecommunications. Here's MTN example. Now look at MTN yesterday. Due to good results, this share broke up about 12.44 rand. And look at this channel here. Broke it upwards, broke this previous highs, and now it's testing that previous highs of mid-December last year after this great news. And looking at the Vodacom, still in a sideways pattern and still trading on the green line here. Let's go to the banking sector. As you can see, Barclays Bank got a bit of support here at this bottom here of 183.72, still in a bit of a sideways pattern, but the share seems to be in a movement under the green and the purple that could indicate some sideways happening. If it breaks this 190, it could go back to this 192. Let's go to Standard Bank. Also brought out good dividend report yesterday. The share went up almost 8 rand, bounced in the 150 and went to almost the level of 156.96, testing the previous highs here. Let's go to Investec. Investec still in a sideways pattern, still trading above the green line as well, but this is totally sideways with a lot of uncertainty. Let's go to some of the retailers. Shoprite. Shoprite starts to get a bit of momentum here, and you can see there's a bit of a momentum coming up here in this negative channel. So the big question, if you look at some indicators, is this now the breakup of a positive movement going up in this negative channel? This share actually traded about 1.32 rand into the positive, and it traded almost 1 million shares for the day. So we need to track this closely as well. Woolies bounced in the middle of this green line of the Bollinger Bands, tested this 88.92 rand. Now look at this cycles that's forming here, but this is now a big support level here at 88.92, and it's also confirmed by the middle of the Bollinger Band, that's the green line. So the big question is, can you go from 92 or 90 rand level back to the 94 in this bit of a sideways pattern? Mr Price still also trading a lot of sideways, tested this middle Bollinger Band, and you can basically see the trading range is about 262 to 266 in the middle and the sideways pattern. Let's go and look at it. CFR, and you can see CFR did come down, get a bit of support here again on the green line, but the patterns on the ABC is playing out here. ABC, so there's a high, low, high, lower, high, lower, high, We need to see if this is going to be a pattern, and if it needs to confirm breaking, it needs to break this red line here close to the 102 rand. If it breaks this 102 rand, more downside could be due, but the share seems to be in a sideways pattern as well. Exxaro. Now Exxaro came back from the 109 level, started to move up yesterday again, just small, 85 cents. Not a lot of volumes traded in the share, so we need to see where this direction will go in the next day or two. Enjoy your Friday. Please keep note of this data coming through. Thank you.